DJI just unveiled the next generation version of the classic RS Gimbal series, and surely they pack some mind-blowing upgrades to elevate your cinematography experience. With these two gimbals, DJI is looking forward to creating a complete ecosystem for creators. Both of them are compatible with LiDAR rangefinder and a new advanced transmission device. In our video today, we will be discussing how DJI RS3 and RS3 Pro can be the most reliable gimbals in the world of cinematography. So, without further ado, let's get started. Okay, let's talk about the base variant RS3 first. DJI has made the new gimbal more convenient than ever before. Filmmakers now can easily balance their cameras with the new stabilizer and get up running as early as possible. You'll find a redesigned axis locking system which is completely automated. Once you turn on the gimbal, the axes are unlocked instantly, unfolding the gimbal. So the whole process lasts a few seconds, only to make your filmmaking fast and effective. As for balancing the cameras, you'll find quick release plates with position memory, so you don't have to balance the camera frequently. The RS3 has a payload capacity of up to 3 kilograms and can be easily held in one hand, so you'll be able to attach pretty much all the mainstream cameras. Making the RS3 even more suitable, DJI has provided a Bluetooth shutter control on the gimbal. This will eliminate the hassle of external shutter cable, ensuring more flexibility while shooting. But for those who want to go absolute pro in filmmaking, DJI has got that covered too. The RS3 Pro features some advanced functionalities along with access control, Bluetooth shutter, and other RS3 specs. Now you can attach even the most powerful and demanding cameras such as Sony FX6, Canon C70, and the Red Komodo. The RS3 Pro comes with an extended arm which is built from carbon fiber, so even with the heaviest Red Komodo, the gimbal will feel pretty lightweight and stable on hands. To give you an exact idea, the RS3 Pro weighs just around 1.5 kilograms and has a payload capacity of up to 4.5 kilograms. So, no matter how tough the scenario gets, RS3 Pro can shoot all your desired shots with extreme stabilization. Coming to stabilization, both the RS3 and RS3 Pro come with upgraded 3rd-gen stabilization algorithms. This offers at least a 20% stabilization boost over its predecessor, making your captured footage more stable and smoother. And for controlling the gimbals, there's an 1.8-inch OLED screen giving you instant access to different camera modes and switching between them. And to take your cinematography to newer heights, you can attach the new LiDAR rangefinder with the RS3 and RS3 Pro. This will help you track the object more accurately, projecting 43,200 ranging points within 14 meters of range. That's not the end, as the first ever transmission system from DJI will allow you to check your footage instantly. As for the price, the RS3 comes with a $549 price tag, whereas the RS3 Pro will cost you a hefty $869. Though there is a notable difference in price, you won't find much of a difference in performance apart from the extra payload you get with the Pro. However, with the newly launched RS3 and RS3 Pro, filmmakers and creators will have more flexibility and opportunities to bring their visions to life in a more creative way. DJI has surely revolutionized the RS gimbals, and by properly utilizing the LiDAR sensor and video transmission system, you can get the perfect and stabilized shot like you would have imagined. What are your thoughts on these two gimbals, and which one would you prefer? Let us know in the comments below. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more videos like this.